Wilson from the Tax Institute, and I don't need to tell you that there are no more certain things in life than death, taxes, and the exorbitant amount of documentation required to get your tax return properly completed. But whether you're completing your taxes in an office or using a tax product at home, we're here to help take the hassle out of figuring out what you need to get started. First of all, you will, of course, need to collect your personal information. This includes your Social Security number, your spouse's full name and Social Security number, which includes a former spouse if you paid any alimony during the year, and the information of those who may belong on your return, such as their birth date, Social Security numbers, child care records, including the provider's ID number, Form 8332, copies of your divorce decree, and other documents showing that your ex-spouse is releasing the right to claim a child to you. If you or someone who belongs on your return was a student, you may be entitled to tax benefits for education. To claim these benefits, you'll want to locate bills from that education institution or anything else that itemizes what you paid or received loans for versus what was covered by a scholarship or non-taxable grants, such as a Pell Grant. Forms 1098-T and 1098-E, if you receive them, will also help determine which education benefits you qualify for. As an employee, you should receive Form W-2. This is essential in filing your return. You may want to check with your Human Resources Department to see if your company posts W-2s online. If so, printing it off is typically the fastest way to get your copy. If not, companies will be required to send a W-2 to you by the end of January 31st at the latest. If it starts to become mid-February and you have not received your W-2, call your employer and pick your copy up. Other sources of income which you may forget about at tax time are unemployment or estate tax refund, which both are reported to you on Form 1099-G, gambling income, which is reported on W-2G, healthcare reimbursements are reported on 1099-SA or 1099-LTC, jury duty records, hobby income and expenses, and prizes and awards. Your retirement income will be reported to you on 1099-R, and your Social Security income will be reported to you on 1099-SSA. Your savings and investments should also send you a tax form. Interest is reported on 1099-INT or 1099-OID, and dividends are reported on 1099-DIV. Income of sales of stock or other property will be reported to you on 1099-B or 1099-S. If you go to a tax professional, be sure to also bring your 2010, your 2009, and or your 2008 tax returns so that your tax professional can check them for accuracy. The Tax Institute signs off with a wish of a wonderful tax experience this tax season, as you feel the satisfaction that comes along with having your tax return completed accurately.